Hi, Sherry. I have your new prototype for the tiebacks for the shears, and I just wanted to make this short video to show you how to use it so there would be no question, because once you get this in the mail, you're going to say, what is this really? So what I did was, thinking ahead to the tassel, the navy blue, I acquired some navy blue rope, and I had to cut the lip off of it, and so you'll see little threads, but when I do acquire the real deal, I make sure I just get plain rope so there won't be any of that fuzzy stuff that goes on. Like I said, this is a prototype, and some wooden beads which will match the existing tassel, or the one if we decide to get a navy replacement. So basically, this is a little bit shorter than your tiebacks now. It's a 24 instead of 30. And what I'd like you to do is just sort of hold it like so, and maybe give it a couple of twists so that the beads are, kind of close to each other. And then just simply attach it on the existing hooks, replacing the tiebacks that are there now. And it's simple, and it's discreet, and it doesn't take attraction away from the main feature, which is the slider window. So these are going in the mail. I hope that you agree and see if they just don't do the job nicely, and then we can move forward with the completion of the room. Thanks, Sherry. Take care.